channel. Maybe you like to know how you can make another pocket on here and then not losing any space. So stay tuned and we are going to do that. So what we need is again a piece that's wide enough. So I'm not going to measure anything, guys. Just grab a leftover piece and again just make a pocket. So we're going to make a 1/2 inch. And then I'm gonna apply this on my left side. Well, you actually just can make this the same size as the other pocket, of course. Absolutely the same size, it's definitely needed. Okay, let's make another flippity flop. And cut it shorter. Alright, now for this one we are not going to make a hinge at the bottom. What I definitely want is make just a mark on a 1/2 inch here and a 1/2 inch here. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to cut this in a nice angle till that 1 inch mark. It does not have to be perfect, you don't see it. So then what I also going to cut is this little angle. Alright, so that's actually the same progress that we did with the other pockets. And now this fits in this one just like that. See that? And at this point you maybe want to know, is this your height that you want? Do you want to make it lower? Do you want to make it exactly as this one? Then I have to measure. This is 3. Oh, this is a little lower than 3, but this is the same size. So I think this is a nice size. So I like this, so I'm gonna see a nice piece of paper so I can make my notch again, and yeah, then it's just a matter of putting it all in, and then you have a pocket that goes all the way down, from here to all the way down. So then you have a nice large pocket. Alright, so I'm gonna search for a nice piece of paper. And I think I got one. Let me search for a nice piece of paper, then I come back to you. Alright guys, I found this little piece, so I'm going to use it same as I normally do. So put this on top. Here we go. Turn it over. And cutting this loose from each other. There we go. And here we go. Switch the edges. Forgot to cut down that little piece, but you always can do that. You do not see it, so here we go. Alright, clean all your glue. And then we just can put this in. Okay, let's do that. There we go. So I'm just gonna move this in pocket. And then I'm just gonna place this on its right spot. Nice and straight, and there you go. Another pocket. And then this one goes all the way down. So in this one you can add small pocket, but also a large pocket. Alright, and then something for the back, maybe this one. Let's do that right away, since we are in it right now. This goes in here, of course. Always checking. I think I do need to cut this down just a little tiny bit. Alright guys, smooch the edges. And then place it on the right spot. Nicely over the hinges. And then on the right spot. There you go. Here we go. That was pretty easy. Yep, nice flippable page with 2 pockets. And this one goes all the way down, as you can see. Super cool. Done. Thanks for watching.